So today we're going to look at using the COUNTIF function in Excel. This is a very useful function. I'm going to show you how you can use it in a use case scenario. So here we have a multiple of locations, north, east, south and west, and we have some different fruits that we have in those areas or sold in those areas. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a COUNTIF to see how many of those areas that we actually sell fruit, or how many times in this list the criteria appears. So what we're going to do is we'll type in equals COUNTIF, like so. I'm just going to click that one. We have to select our range, and we want the range to be this because this is what we're going to be looking through. We're going to be looking through the fruit section. We're going to put a comma in, and we're going to look for peaches because that's the question we propose to ourselves. So once you've done that, and we've wrote peaches in quotation marks, we're just going to simply close off the bracket, and we're just going to tab. And as you can see, it's free, and if we count it, north has one, west has one, and south has one. Let's say the east doesn't want apples anymore and they want peaches. And as you can see, there it goes to 4, and that is simply how we use the COUNTIF function. And of course we can change it for other things. So let's say we put apples in here now instead. So let's put apples in, and you can see apples appear in here twice, once at the north and once at west. So that's how you use COUNTIF function in Excel. Thanks for watching guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.